So here we go. Father's Day. Well, all good fathers do. They go to, this is the Burleson Axe Factory to throw axes. So here we go. This is the okay, leaving the Burleson Axe Factory after having fun. It was a lot of fun throwing for Father's Day. The strange part about this is that we came here on Mother's Day, and mothers got to throw for free. And guess what? Dads do not. They have to pay. Have full money out.